What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are well. Hmm. As you guys can see, I got the hourly chart on me right now. Oh, yeah, we'll get into yesterday's price section. I want to talk about this real quick. So far, we've been in a downtrend. We had a pullback, price coming down. I do want to see lower prices for the rest of the day. I want to see price respect this lower half of this 1 hour fair value gap. So maybe probably during market open we'll have a Judas swing of buys, and then you want to see price respect this upper half and then continue potentially going lower. So my bias on the day is sells if price respects this lower half. On the daily, on the other hand, we do have this. You see price came and respect this daily week. Oh my days. Midpoint. This daily week but that's having a bit of a retracement. So this could just be a retracement and we might send price higher. So on the higher time frame, we're looking at buys, but at the same time, price I saw this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap, and how price is respecting this lower half, and then all the way up here, it just touched the midpoint, the daily wick, and then price sold. So we have to wait for market open, see which direction we start off first, and then on the 15-minute we do have this 15-minute fair value gap, this one with this one, and then we have this one up there. So we're gonna have to wait and see how price reacts to that. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. Oh, and in a 1 minute we do have these beautiful, look how nicely priced. We have the open range gap of this from here to here, the opening range. We had that opening range, and I wanted to see price come to this midpoint, but it didn't because we had this nice low there. It didn't, but today it did. And look at the bodies staying above that. But then the daily wick is price is respecting the daily wick midpoint. And now it's pushing higher of this one. This my days. We're going above this one. We just went above this wick. This period long. So yeah, let's see what happens. Gonna wait for market open. It did sweep this, so this is our new London high right there, and then London low, sorry, London high all the way up there. So hopefully this is just like a pullback, and then price continues dropping probably. And this is a daily fair value. I'm just deleted. So let's see what price has. I'm gonna have to move this. Just remember this opening range gap is not even closed yet, but we just reached the midpoint as well. So you have to wait for this to open, and then wait, and we're gonna see if it's gonna come to the midpoint or not. So yeah, we have 5 minutes until the macro. I mean, not the macro, until market open. But for now, I just delete. Oh, we're coming back into this. Yeah, excuse me. 1 hour. And then we reached under 1 hour. Let's see what we get. Mm. how can I do that thing of only showing this time frame? That would be nice. That's actually cool. Oh, man. I feel like I figured something out. Oh my days. And then we do have this, and then this one as well. Wait, sorry, I forgot. And let's see if it's gonna wanna go higher. The next candlestick, there might create a fair value gap, right? Like this might become a fair value gap. And on that 15-minute, I wanna see if I can respect the midpoint of that or not, depending on how this closes. Because if this closed above this one, we wanna see if we wanna come back and treat it as a fair value gap, especially in the upper left or the lower half. Oh, no, we have news that I just saw. We have Trump speaking. Oh, sorry, I didn't go through yesterday. I got stopped out yesterday. Really sucked, bro. Was the dumbest decision. I shouldn't have. I should just left it at that. Oh, and I changed the first value gap. Um, thing is, I don't really use this one if it's like the smallest one, because I was taught, but then I saw ICT use it. And this was how many pips? Let me see. Mm, rather like there about okay. Please this to this to this. It's like 10 pips, bro. And he used it. I was like, well, okay. 'Cause I used this big one yesterday. I used this big one. So I just stuck to it. I'm being taught here. So I kept that one. I'm gonna delete this one. The London logo got taken. And then as you guys can see, respected that midpoint of that first value gap and this daily wick. So yeah, high resistance trading yesterday. Very hard, but I should have done that mistake of my stop loss. Could have done better on my end. But yeah, that's a lesson right there. Oh, it's market open. Uh, this is our opening range gap. 70% of the time. Blah 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 blah. The midpoint. Okay, here's today's opening range gap midpoint. I actually like it better like this. Uh, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Let's see, it's gonna reach the midpoint. Oh no. Okay. That's a suspect right there. From here to here, it's like 100. So let's see if it's gonna take out this London Eye. Be such a short trade from here to there. That's our first severity gap. That's our first severity gap. See price user to come here to there. Would be a nice buy. Let me see. Would be a nice buy for the opening range gap midpoint. It's gonna be TP1 would be in for only $7. And then I wanna see what the midpoint is. It's close to this. So that second TP is 25th. Oh yeah, hell no. That is just what is not good. Well, you know the drill, bro. We're gonna wait 15 minutes. See what happens. Well, this actually went exactly above. And with these, Looking at this small one. Guy came and touched that. Price is rejecting this and dog. Oh, there's an inverse. This is February gap. Doing a reaction of this again. Midpoint of this. It's close to this. Gonna go higher. Mm. I see an SMT divergence between these two. Like it swept that high, but on Nasdaq it didn't. You see that? These two. I mean, could be nothing. Of course, it could still tag it. But it went through. It's like it's gonna push and take out that London. Alright, nice. Took out the London high. Now they took out the London high. And I used the same knowledge to know to see if it would want to take out dun 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 this one. And this one's supposed to be suspect. The open range gap has been taken. Let's see if we're gonna get the reaction of sales. And then if not, the price continues pushing higher. I'm good, chat. But to be honest, these look clean. They look really clean. Let me put in my candle. Very cool. Wait, why is it? Oh, Let's see what we whatsoever invest this in the future. Let's see, can we cut sales? I'm in for sales. I'm in for sales. You guys can see. I'm in for sales. Stop loss above that. Let's see what we get. I think TP one. My second tip is gonna be the London low right there. Put it for you guys. And then second one would just be here. I think I need to get that's what I have in mind. So see what happens. This TP is this. Second TP is this. I don't know if I'm doing too much. Five, 5x. It means it's gonna be a long trade, depending on the speed and stuff. But this is my entire idea because I'm looking at this London law. Worst case scenario, I'll just take it out both positions here, depending on the speed. If I see like there's a lot of speed and stuff, I'll let the second one run. But if I see that it's slow, then I won't bother. So I'm just solely taking this because I said Judas swing. I wanted to see the buys as a Judas swing and then see price go lower. So my bias was sells. So I'm taking that inverse as a sell. And also looking at price respect, there's new week opening gap midpoint. So price respecting this midpoint, we took out the London high, we went to the opening range gap, and now I want to see like a turnover, and let's see what do we get lower prices. So that's the idea I'm basing all of this off. Let me just delete these. So yeah, see what happens. See what happens. Yo, I mean the macro now. I would not want to see price. I want to see price close below the midpoint of this. That's a green flag. If not, that's not good. Okay, that looks good. Looks promising. Yo, almost got yo. I know it's a bit spontaneous because we kind of are going through with the trend, but I want to see price go lower. That's just me. I'm just following my plan. Could be wrong, but I'm following my plan. That's what happens. Just could just be the minor pullback, but if you were to see a proper pullback, it was definitely price coming back into this. So yeah, we closed above this, which is not really a good sign. We might get stopped out here, boys. We cooked. We got stopped out. So it looks like we do want to continue going higher. No, it looks like price wants to continue going higher. Yeah. So we just left it at that when we, what do you call this? Broke above it. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail real quick. Yeah. Let's wait until what do you call this? The mic was over. Then we can hop off. Second out of the week. I guess the damage was done earliness. The damage was done early. Price coming for those opening range gap midpoint, daily wick, and then just going on an uptrend. Oh, still would have gotten a clean entry fee at least. Oh well, chat. Are we leaving those lows today? There's no Judo swing here, bro. uh, but yeah, hey man, it made perfect sense to me, bro. It looks so clean, bro. And then came, it's one of those days. We'll take it, team. We'll take it. Let's wait and see. No, leave it. 10, 10. Come on, chat. Oh, there's a for lady got give us something to work with, oh my days. Come on, Natalie. Okay, there's 3 minutes left, and I'm gonna hop off. I'm looking at this line. Mm. But I don't trust if I should short, bro, because this could just be a pullback. Sharp price always has pullback, pullback, pullback. I'm gonna try again, chat. Wish me all the best. Wish me all the best, bro. I did it. I did it, bro. I went for it. What I'm aiming for, I don't know. Wait, let me show you guys I'm in this. That okay, I'm looking at this low as TP1. This low right here. That's suspect. That's what I'm gonna do. And then the other one, I'm gonna leave it. But this low, I'll just put 2 and 2 suspect. And the other, okay, we need this candle, this one, the one that we're on right now, to act well, to behave, ideally. Else we cooked because price if it stays at the upper half of this, we're not risking this much this time around. Only risking 7, 6, not much, like only $13. So if we lose this, the account's gonna be back. The account's gonna be back on, and we lost. The account is gonna be back on like the normal, and we lost. Keep trying, man. I keep trying, man. I keep trying, man. Anyway, I'm done. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Account is back on break even. We're only up $6, as you guys can see that I got stopped out again. So yeah, I'm gonna just take my loss. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care. Yeah.